Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys the product that I found in less than like 4 to 3 minutes. And as soon as I started doing this product research technique, I found a product and I'm actually going to make an ad and actually drop ship this product. And this is actually in my niche, so that was pretty perfect because I already have a store set up for it. And I'm actually gonna be showing you guys the exact same product, and if you guys want to drop ship it, you can. But before we get into it, subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications. We're like at 80 subscribers and we only need 20 more to get to 100. I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe and leave a like if you guys enjoyed this video. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. So as you guys saw in my previous video where I show you guys how I do my product research and the new technique that everyone uses, I found this product. So again, I'm going to be doing the same thing, and I'm actually going to be searching up summer because I'm into the tropical niche, and I sell tropical related products and jewelry. So I put summer there and then jewelry because I don't know if I want to sell ankle bracelets or bracelets or necklace, so I'm just putting jewelry for now. And then pre-shipping, and then once I search it up, you go to see all, and then from there I'm trying to, sometimes it glitches, like I said, you just go to 2018 and see all public photos. And then as I was coming down, nothing here, pre-shipping, more summer related products, there it is. So as you guys can see, 4,000 likes now, and 609 shares, and loads of comments, like 335, and people seem to be liking these. And also it was posted on May 29th, so it's only like a month old, and I actually cross-referenced it with my AliExpress like I showed you guys. And I went to AliExpress, I searched up ankle bracelets, and as I was coming down, voila, I found the product. It's also over here. And then once I went here, it's actually over here. And once you come down to see how's the product doing, it actually has 2,500 orders, so that's perfect because it's not too saturated, it's still trending, and 2,500 orders, a pretty good amount of orders to start drop shipping. And once you come down, this is even better when you see it. Voila, as you guys can see, most of the orders, actually let me go to the first page. Yeah, most of the orders are coming from US. That means the product is being dropshipped. As I said in my previous videos, when the product is being sold to US, that means people are dropshipping this product because a lot of dropshippers target US customers only. So when you see that, that means that people are making money from this and are actually dropshipping it. And as you guys can see, orders on orders, US, 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 barely any other country, and still going. It's still 14 July, and as you guys can see, so many of these orders came like yesterday, like at least 100 came yesterday, so that's a pretty good amount. That means the product is trending and it's being dropshipped and someone's making a lot of money. And as you guys can see, this picture is not even that good. It's low res and it has it's really small, and their ad copy has too much text, but they're still making a lot of money from it because they're obviously advertising it and they're getting a lot of these likes. So if you can just make the ad copy better, make the caption better, you can even get more sales and jump on this trend while it lasts. Yeah guys, today I'm actually going to be making an ad copy for this, and maybe I'll document it. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see me document it and see if it works. But anyways, it's still a really good product. Again, if you guys want to try it out, go ahead. So yeah guys, hopefully you like this video. I'm literally trying to cut my own revenue to show you guys that it's actually possible, and this product research method is really strong and you can actually find really good products using this method. So hopefully you guys liked my video, and let me know if you guys are gonna apply it and if you guys found any other products. And again, subscribe if you're new. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm out. Peace.